afternoon all. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the cell. Before going into the details of cell, first we are going to look into some of the facts about the cell. The first one, who discovered a cell? The cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Then from where the word cell came from? The word cell is derived from a Latin word cellula, that means small rooms. The word cell is derived from a Latin word cellula, that means small rooms. Then comes to the next one, cell biology. Cell biology is the branch of science that deals with the study of cell. The cell structure, function, etc. Cell biology is the branch of science that deals with the study of cell. Then never mix up with the cell and cell biology. Cell is the basic unit of life and cell biology is the branch of science that deals with the study of cell. Now coming into our main topic, cell. What is a cell? Every life begins from a cell. Every new life begins from a cell. Then what is a cell? Cell is the basic unit of life. Simply, cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. All organisms contain one or more cells. All organisms, all living organisms contain one or more cells. Based on this, there are unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms are organisms which consist of only single biological cell. Microorganisms are examples for these unicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms are organisms which consist of single cell. Single-celled organisms are called unicellular organisms. One example is bacteria. As we all know, bacteria are free-living organisms. It contains only one single biological cell. While the multicellular organisms contain more than one cells. Multicellular organisms contain more than one cells. Human bodies, like generally animals and plants are examples for this multicellular organisms. Plants and animals are examples for this multicellular organisms. Because multicellular organisms contain more than one cells. Unicellular organisms contain only single cell. Bacteria or microorganisms are examples for unicellular organisms, while plants and animals are examples for multicellular organisms. Then the next one is, cells are not visible to our naked eyes. We cannot see the cells with our naked eyes. It can only be visible when we observe it under a microscope. Cells are only visible when we observe it under a microscope. That's all for today. And I hope all of you understand. And in today's session, we just mentioned what is a cell, who discovered cell, and what is from where the word cell is derived from, and also discuss about the unicellular and multicellular organisms. And thank you for watching. Thank you.